Lesson Plan: Solving Literal Equations through Maxima. This lesson plan concerns literal equations and their resolution through the open-source math tool Maxima. It is a sequence of phases and correlate activities to reach given aims and outcomes. It is developed by using Learning Design Web Tool. It specifies what you have to do, how you have to do, and when. First of all, you have to define the aims and the outcomes. What are the aims? Consolidating and strengthening the knowledge of literal equations, using Maxima as a tool for graphically managing the above-mentioned equations. What are the outcomes? Identify and classify literal equations, grasping the resolution process for literal equations, being able to analyze literal equations, being able to solve literal equations by using a math tool, being able to summarize results, being able to evaluate achieved results. Second, you have to define and develop the phases of your lesson plan, and for each phase specify the activities in terms of contents, resources, and times. What are the phases? Grasping the meaning of literal equations, using Maxima for solving linear literal equations in one variable and one parameter for given values of the parameter. Using Maxima for solving linear literal equations in one variable and one parameter. Phase A, grasping the meaning of literal equations. In this phase, pupils are stimulated to grasp the meaning of the literal equations and their application in the real world. In this phase there are 3 activities. A1, read. A2, watch and listen. A3, discuss. Phase B, using Maxima for solving literal equations in one variable and one parameter for given values of the parameter. Pupils discover that a literal equation can be instantiated into an infinite number of numerical equations. There are 3 activities. B1, investigate. Here is the step-by-step procedure by using Maxima. B2, practice. And B3, discuss. Phase C, using Maxima for solving linear literal equations in one variable and one parameter. Pupils learn to think in terms of procedures and regard the exercise as an instance of a given procedure. There are 3 activities. C1, watch and listen. C2, collaborate. And C3, produce. The lesson plan by using Learning Design Web Tool. Thanks for watching.
created using Powtoon.